Hi, I am Joe Exotic, but people call me Tiger King.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens, Carol Baskin here.
This is a message for Carol Baskin. I'm coming for you, Carol.
Hi all kitten cats. Oh, you caught me. I was just about to eat some. It's not my husband. It's not my husband. You want some kitty? You want some kitty kitty? This is not my husband. I did not kill my husband, okay? I did not kill my husband.
I'm a gay, gun-toting cowboy from the South, and I like to blow crap up.
I forgot to say, everybody, do you like my little kitty cat ears? I'm thinking of getting them surgically, permanently put into place. What y'all think? I mean, if you want to give me $300 per suggestion, I'll put that into my kitty cat rescue, and then I'll vote and see what y'all think. But yeah, bye. Hi, all my kitty cat kitten friends. How y'all doing? I just thought I'd give you a little update. So I hear that Joe Exotic is still saying mean things about me, but, you know, I judge the amount of people that hate me by the amount of emails I get, and yeah, so what? The money keeps coming, I keep talking. That's all the worries about me. Okay, have a nice day, y'all.
Hello everyone. Just a quick little message to say, well, first of all, apologise for the absolutely outrageously mental, delusional content that has gone out on the channel for the last few days. I don't really know what's happened. Karen and Des seem to have had mental breakdowns in self-isolation. I never thought I'd see the day where Karen Reid biked down the street in a tiger onesie wearing a blonde wig and a cowboy hat. I mean, what has happened to this world? I think, like many of us, they're going a little bit crazy in self-isolation and having some fun and a bit extra to do is keeping them going. One way that we can get the content a higher level on here is if you guys send in some stuff. I'm happy to edit anything, songs, poems. If you want to if you've got a little script, you want to create a little story, if you message me beforehand, I'm happy to help, give tips on how to, not that I'm a pro or anything, but how to help make the film process go a little better, make things look a little bit better. Yeah, anything's fun. I am enjoying editing it. Well, I'm not enjoying editing these ridiculous videos currently, but yeah, hopefully we can get, if we get some people sending different things in, even if you want to do something but you don't know what you want to do, give us a message and hopefully we'll come up with something together. So yeah, just hit that like button, subscribe, hit the little up thumb, as Des says. Let's be in fun together, as Des says. I hope to hear from you soon.